5 recommendation of our best-selling whitening lotion or cream in Thai Beauty Shop and other brands. So this is my top 5 for the past 5 years. First on my list is the Ebony lotion. So the pink variant po is the Milk Collagen. Meron itong Lactic Care, meron itong yogurt, at meron din po itong collagen, of course. This one, 500 ml siya and one of our bestseller. Makukuha nyo to as freebie sa mga selected items natin. Next is the Frozen Whitening Lotion. If you know me, this is a 2-in-1 whitening lotion. Yung kanyang formula, ang galing, nakaka-glass skin. Vitamin C with Blue Sapphire. Meron din tong Vitamin E. And, I'm telling you, pag binix nyo pa to sa Snow Capsule, Snow Serum, ma-achieve mo talaga yung gusto mong makinang na skin in just 3 weeks. Last but not the least sa ating whitening lotion na walang SPF is the Skin Nice Melony Whitening Lotion. This is an overnight repair lotion at ito po ay merong AHA, melon, at of course meron din po itong collagen extract. Yung technology po neto, 10 times po siya sa normal na lotion. Kapag ka in-apply mo gabi-gabi, makikitaan mo to ng result. Ngayon, ito naman ang ating My Dream Skin Kojic Niacinamide Lotion na merong SPF 30. Sa Thai Beauty Shop, wala po ito. Pero ito yung nagustuhan ko na lotion na ginagamit ko kapag magbababad ako ng araw. Enough na po yung SPF 30. And napaka-transparent din ng CEO neto at madalas nagba-buy one take one to. So you can check the shop of My Dream Skin. Of course, last but not the least, ang top 1 whitening cream ngayon dito sa merkado. 3 years na to sa market. The AR Niacinamide Brightening Cream. Ay nako, wag nyo na akong tanungin kung ano to. Magko-comment yung mga users neto, madalas to na sold out.